Good morning, students. So, in the previous class, what we learned, page number 42 now. Rationalizing factor of a binomial set we are completed. Next is the next one, rationalizing factor of a trinomial set. So, to find the rationalizing factor of a trinomial set, we group two of its terms together, thus rationalizing factor of C. Root A plus root B minus root C. So what is this? This is a trinomial. 3000 trinomial set. Okay. So what is the rationalizing factor of this one? Root A plus root B. Here minus is there. Okay. We have to convert into plus root C. So for trinomial set, root A plus root B minus root C, what is the rationalizing factor? Root A plus root B plus root C. Okay. If you give like this, root A plus root B plus root C, what is the rationalizing factor? Root A plus root B minus root C. Here minus is there, you have to write plus. If they are given plus means you have to write here minus. That is the rationalizing factor of trinomial set. Okay. Next is the examples. If a plus root b into c plus root d is equal to 3 plus root 2, then a minus root b into c minus root d equal to, see here what is given, a plus root b into c plus root d given. What is the answer given? 3 plus root 2. Now you have to find a minus root b into c minus root d is equal to, what is the answer? A plus root b into c plus root d is equal to 3 plus root 2 given. Okay. Now you have to find a minus root b, c minus root d. Here the sign will be changed. Here plus, here minus, here plus, here minus. So you have to change this one sign also. Okay. So what is the answer? 3 minus root 2. Okay. What is the answer? 3 minus root 2. Just you have to change the sign only. Okay, next second, third, fourth, they are the given rationalizing factors you have to find. Yesterday already I told that formulas. You have to use that formulas. You can do that rationalizing factor. Next one, geometric mean. Geometric mean is a kind of average of a set of numbers that is different from the arithmetic average. The geometric mean is well defined only for sets of positive real numbers. This is calculated by multiplying all the numbers. Call the number of numbers n and taking the nth root of the total. A common example of where the geometric mean is the correct choice is when averaging growth rate. So what is the geometric formula means? See. Nth root of x1 into x2 into x3 so on x power n. So xn is equal to x1 into x2 into x3 into so on xn whole power 1 by n. Okay. So here what is given? Geometric formula, nth root of x1 into x2 into x3 into so on xn is equal to, how can you write this one? x1 into x2 into x3 into so on into xn whole power 1 by n. Okay. So this is the geometric mean formula. Geometric mean formula. This is trinomial third formula. Okay. Come on, write those formulas. Another one, see another formula. Square root of a quadratic third. If a comma b, root a square minus b are positive rational numbers and root b is a third, then root of a plus root b is equal to root x plus root y. So here what is given? Square root of a plus square root of b is equal to root x plus root y, where x is equal to, what is x here? A plus root of a square minus b by 2 and y equal to a minus root of a square minus b by 2. Okay. So this one is a binomial third formula. Root of a plus root b is equal to root x plus root y. What is x? X value is a plus root of a square minus b by 2 and y is equal to a minus root of a square minus b by 2. Okay. This is the binomial third formula. This is the geometric formula. This is the trinomial third formula. All of you write these formulas. Next, see the note. If a is a rational number and root b is a surd, then root of a plus root b is equal to root x plus root y. This one. Okay. And also square root of a minus root b is given, means how you can write root x minus root y. Here it will get minus, means you should say change the sign here minus. Okay. Next, if a, b are positive rational numbers, then square root of a plus b plus or minus 2 root of a b is equal to plus or minus root a plus or minus root b. Next one is the square root of a trinomial quadratic surd. Square root of a trinomial quadratic surd. Square root of a trinomial quadratic surd. What is that formula? See, square root of a plus square root of b plus square root of c plus square root of d is equal to root x plus root y plus root z. Then what is x? Then x is equal to half square root of bd by c and y equal to half square root of dc by d. Z is equal to half square root of cd by d and x plus y plus z is equal to a and x plus y plus z equal to a. So square root of a trinomial quadratic surd. Square root of a trinomial quadratic surd formula is root x plus root y plus root z. Where what is x here? Half into square root of bd by c. Y is equal to half into square root of bc by d. Z is equal to half into root of cd by b. And here what is a? X plus y plus z. X plus y plus z is equal to a. Okay. Note this formula. Next is the cube root of a surd. If a, b, c are positive rational numbers, then root c is a surd. Then cube root of a plus b root c is equal to root of b minus c by 3 plus root c. Here cube root of a surd is given formula. So in this chapter all are formulas only. Cube root of a surd. So cube root of a plus b root c. Cube root of a plus b root c is equal to square root of b minus c by 3 plus root c. Okay. So cube root of a plus b root c is equal to square root of b minus c by 3 plus root c is the cube root of third formula. Okay. Next one thing. Note a plus root b whole power x square minus k plus a minus root b whole power x square minus k is equal to 2a into a square minus b is equal to 1, where x is equal to plus or minus root of k plus or minus 1. See here, a plus root b, x square minus k plus a minus root b, x square minus k is equal to 2a. Okay. So a square minus b is equal to 1, then x is equal to plus or minus square root of k plus or minus 1. A plus root b whole power x square minus k plus a minus root b whole power x square minus k is equal to, what is the formula? 2a. A plus b into a minus b, what is the formula? A square minus b square. Like that here 2a. Okay. So a square minus b is equal to 1, then x is equal to plus or minus root of k plus or minus 1. Next one, Newton's approximation formula for nth root. What is that formula? Newton's formula. Nth root of x power n plus y equal to x plus y by n into x power n minus 1. So Newton's formula, what is that formula? Nth root of x power n plus y equal to x plus y by n into x power n minus 1. See here example, to find the fifth root of 34. How can you find fifth root of 34? We know that 2 power 5 is equal to 32, and let x is equal to 32, y is equal to 2. So then fifth root of 34 is equal to, how can you find fifth root of 2 power 5 plus 2? So 2 plus 2 by 5 into 2 power 4, that is 2 plus 2 by 18. Okay, first we should write this formula. Next, see the example for Newton's formula, children. So to find the fifth root of 34, to find fifth root of 34. Okay, we already know that what is that 2 power 5 is equal to how much? 32. 2 power 5 is equal to 32. So you have to take x is equal to 32 and y is equal to 2 and n is equal to how much? 5. Okay. So x is equal to 32, y is equal to 2, n is equal to 5. Now substitute in this formula. Nth root of, what is n? Fifth. Fifth root of x power n. X power n means this 32, how can you write? 2 power 5 plus y. Y how much? 2 is equal to x. What is x? 2 power 5. Fifth root of 2 power 5. Here fifth root of 2 power 5 plus y. What is y? 2 by n. 5 into x power n minus 1. That means 2 power 5 minus 1. Here fifth root and 5 will be cancelled. So 2 plus 2 by 5 into 2 power 5 minus 1, how much? 4. So 2 plus 2 by 5 into 2 power 4 means how much? 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 16. So 2 plus 2 by 5 16 is how much, children? 80. 2 1s 2, 2 4 8 0. So 2 plus 1 by 40. So 2 plus 1 by 40, how can you write? 0.025. So add 2.025 is the answer. Okay, ma? How can you find fifth root of 34? Using this formula, Newton's formula we have to use, and we have to do like that. Okay, ma? Come on, right. Okay, children, we have completed this chapter, third chapter. So you have to do the bits homework. See the page number 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, up to matching you have to. Level 1 and level 2 you have to complete the bits. Okay. Tomorrow I will send the key to you. Okay, ma? This is the homework, today's homework. And we will continue the next class, children. Goodbye.